Dear students, in this video we will discuss about mode 1 operation of 8253/54. This mode is also named as programmable one shot. Here the counting operation of the counter of this IC will be enabled when a small trigger voltage is applied, when a instantaneous trigger voltage is applied at the gate signal. Initially the out signal is high and it will become low on the clock pulse after getting a one shot pulse at gate. One shot pulse is what a short duration of trigger which is applied at the gate, and at that instant after when the gate short pulse is applied on the gate, in the next clock pulse gate output output of the IC become low, and it will remain low until the counter reaches 0. It means counting will start at the reception of trigger pulse at the gate terminal. Here it is shown in the waveform. First we write control word to initiate control mode 1 operation. The control word is written in the control word register, then count is loaded in the counter. But the counting operation can be started in this mode only if the trigger, that is a short pulse, is applied at the gate. So here you can see that at the gate terminal, initially the gate terminal's value is 0. It is initially low. At this instant, at the gate terminal we apply a short pulse, a short duration of high signal. So due to this trigger signal, after the application of the short pulse, in the next clock cycle from here, the counting operation will be start, and it means out signal which is initially high become low. So it become low and the counting operation starts. So counting operation starts from 4 and become, in every clock it is reduced by 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and when it becomes 0, then gate signal again become high. Out signal again become high, and it can remain high until next short pulse is applied at the gate terminal. So here you can see that next gate pulse and short pulse is applied at the gate terminal. After application of the short pulse, then the out signal again become low, and it will remain low until the count loaded in the counter becomes 0. Okay, students, it can be explained through another case of mode 1. Here it is seen that suppose the same condition is considered here. Control word is written in the control word register and the same value of count is loaded in the counter. Here you can see that after the short pulse received at the gate terminal, the counting operation starts from 4, 3, 2. When this count becomes 2, another short pulse is applied at the gate terminal. It means that before the count reaches its 0 value, if another short pulse is applied at the gate terminal, then counting operation will start from the initial value of the count. Counting operation will start from the initial value of the count from the next clock pulse. So here from this clock pulse, again the counter will start from 4, and it becomes 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is another case of mode 1 operation. So dear students, it is overall about mode 1. Now we will discuss about mode 2 as the next topic. In mode 2, what will happen? This mode functions like a divide by n counter. It functions as divide by n counter. What is divide by n counter? What is divide by n counter? Do you know? It is typically used to generate a real-time clock interrupt. Here, your divide by n counter means the out signal obtained in this type of circuits is like a rectangular signal.